Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to add a page in Canva Docs, step by step. Whether you're working on a report, an ebook, or any long-form document, knowing how to add pages is essential for organizing your content. So stay tuned. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Step 1. Once you're on the Canva dashboard, click on the Create a Design button at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Docs to start a new document. Or if you already have a document file that you want to edit, go to the Uploads tab on the left panel and upload the file from your device. After uploading, open the document to begin editing. Step 2. Now to add a new page, click the Add Page button at the top of your document. Once you click it, a blank page will be added instantly, allowing you to continue working on your content. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.